Hi everybody, we are ALFA Group and today we're going to present our performance in the company game. So let's start.
I speak to the model of canvas of the business alpha. The most important is the key partners, technology partners who are in charge of the implementation of the new technologies for the different products to be offered. For the activity case, they carry out the production of the components they assemble. For example, for the value proposed, offer certain technology items and the lower quality price to other clients in a different part and the branches around the world. For the channel, our clients prefer to contact through additional channels because they are in a constant interaction with the technology products. For the customer relation based on the product quality, constant communication with the customer, greater focus on the innovation segment. For the customer segment, we have three customer segments: the innovation, the conversations, and the savers. For the strategy for the mention to the opportunities and further is entry in the international market based on innovation products. For the trees on the further have a patent innovation product before the launch on the market. For the weekends and opportunities have associated other products and innovation and quality generate confidence in a new international market. And other for the trees and the weekend have a careful analysis the manufacturing costs as well as the legal factors reading the patent.
Strategy analysis. First of all, we have to pick our generic strategy. We actually work on specialization strategy. Our ALFA company has a market, has a target that we actually have to focus in the innovators market. In this part, the customers seek and search technology and innovation in home technology products. Then we actually put some objectives to follow the line of our strategy. First of all, we keep highly innovative products for each country based on technology. And the second of all, and the last one, we development of management control systems for maintenance of quality standards. We actually have to focus on what our market prefers. So we put it on innovative technology and quality products for our market that is innovators.
So what happened when we start making the strategy? Did we get sales? Between 2020 and 2024, we got positive results. However, between 2022 and 2023, it wasn't enough because we only increased 7%. On the other hand, it's important to say that our focus differentiation strategy was looking for standing out mobile products that includes intelligent technology, and we got all of this in 2024. Also, we got the best sale in Western European Union. In addition to this, in Japan and Korea, we got incredible results. So we believe there is a potential opportunity to invest.
The manufacturing costs have increased by 51% for the first period to the last, and logistic costs have increased by 349% for the first period to the last, and marketing expenses have increased by 226% for the first period to the last. The personal expenses from the first period to the last grew by 51%, and RID expenses from the first period to the last grew by 572%. Financial expenses and decreased by 29% for the first period to the last.
I mentioned the marketing decisions. The company Alpha has a product line which are the strategy that we apply where in the position they are. The product line, the Alpha company are the home appliance, domestic for home, and small appliance. The strategy to improve positioning, there are four. The first is innovation and virality in the product line, investment, improvement, and quality management of the product, and product with their own guarantee approximately 3 years, and after-sales service follow-up of the purchase. And the strategy developed focus on the product manufacturing increase in a positive way, improving the 3 lines that it has, for which it will rise significantly both in ALFA's income, as well as in the improvement of the product positioning, therefore, of a brand. Also, in relation to strategy to improve the positioning of the brand's product, 2 main areas should be emphatic. A production area in which the product of the 3 lines that it owns are developed. Currently, there are 4 factories, so it's essential to emphasize the strategy in the production area, since from this is product are developed with area in many our target audience. And training area, which will contribute to the marketing commercialization process. In order to promote the products, obtaining immediate response from the target audience through our physical store.
Productions and operation decisions action plan. A strategic objective is increase investment by 15% in the area of innovation by 2023. The strategy is improve organizational capabilities in each factory. And the actions are increase prioritization in talent management and increase industrial technology in factories with higher productions starting today, March 1st of 2023 and ends in December 2023. Another strategic objective is reduce production costs for 2023. The strategy is integrate an economy of scale, and the actions are prioritize products which are most in demand and maintain innovation costs. Starting today, March 1st of 2023 and ends in December 2023.
My name is Ricardo Reyes and talk about for the main financial decisions. We have 2 important decisions by the ALFA group. And number 1, generally the price of the products is in the various markets in which we are located have increased by 2023. This caused revenues to increase from the 2022 to 2023 to an average of the $12 million. And finally, number 2, here, the high volume of revenue that could be difficult to manage for this area. Also, we have the ability to know how to invest it, the benefits that have been obtained in these years as of a company.
Finally, I'm going to tell you our learnings and conclusions of our company ALFA. We can conclude that the ALFA company achieved continuous growth over the years due to good decisions making, where we had focused on innovation, valuability, improvement, and product quality management. In this case, applied since achieving promotion, ALFA income as well as in improving the positioning of the product, therefore also of the brand. Finally, ALFA achieved almost 7% more of its income than when the simulation began. This was because it has managed to sell a greater number of the products and have a higher price with which it achieved high income by 2024. Also by applying the strategy of cost leadership management to reduce unit production costs by using economies of scale and management to have factories with a higher technological level. It also kept logistics cost low because its factories close to its markets. Thank you.
Sí, definitivamente volveríamos a escoger la estrategia de especialización. ¿Por qué? porque al cerrar la toma de decisiones en ese año 2024, visualizamos que nuestra empresa tiene un excelente potencial para quedar primera en el mercado. ¿Por qué? Por esa estrategia en la que se trabajó, porque nos encontramos posicionados en mercados como Japón, como Corea, como UE Occidental, en las cuales de alguna manera hemos podido identificar mercados potenciales y que permitirían a la empresa colocarse en el primer lugar en muchos de estos y así seguir expandiéndose. Y que de seguir en la toma de decisiones, estoy segura que podría quedar primera en el mercado. En ese sentido, hemos aprendido cuáles fueron nuestros errores y hemos visto que esta estrategia de alguna manera finalmente, aunque sea engorrosa en un comienzo, te puede dar muy buenos resultados.